Hello, welcome back to my channel for the 100 Leetcode challenge. And today we have reverse integer, really similar to the question that we did, but I'm here to do it one more time. So basically we will input an integer and output a reverse digit of the integer. Here's example 1, 2, 3 be 3 to 1, but negative 1 to 3 we keep the sign of the integer and the number will still be reversed. And here, if you have 0, and then you just ignore it in the beginning. So this one is kind of tricky, as I see a lot of people dislike it because of two reasons. One of the reasons that because this word is too long to read. Second one, probably there's two edge cases we have to consider. One is 32-bit of integer size. Second one is the positive and negative sign of that integer. We can talk about later. So for the reversing an integer, for example, we have 1, 2, 3, and we need to reverse it. So we started having a placeholder, which are not number starting at 0. We can, first thing to do is mod this number to 10. After modding this, basically this is getting the last digit, and we'll add the last digit to the temporary number. After modding this one, getting the last digit, and the 1, 2, 3 number, original number, will divide by 10. So get rid of the last digit. And now we have 12 and 3. And then we do the same thing again. Mod 10 will have the last digit. But in this time, after you have the last digit, 2, and come back to here. So temporary is equal to temporary times 10. After time 10, it will have become 30. And then you add the remainder, which is 2, that we come up from here. So now the temporary number will become 32. But the original number will divide by 10 again. And then basically take out the last digit. And the number 1, it will be the same. So eventually it will come up with numbers, just reverse version of the 1, 2, 3. So this is how the logic is. And here we can think about the edge cases. In here we use long output is 0. Why we use long, I will explain later, but we'll just go through this as soon as possible. We have a negative equal to false. If we keep this starting as a false one, so if x less than 10, less than 0, sorry, and x will equal to x time -1, take out the negative sign of that, and now negative is true. We'll keep this Boolean for later usage. So just keep that in mind. We take out, just make sure the x right now is all positive. Now we come to the point that we do the reversion, sorry. So output equal to 10 times output plus, see here is x mod 10 and x is equal to x divided by 10. This whole while loop is the process that I explained for how to reverse the number. After you reverse and store the number to the output, and now the output will have the reverse version of the input x. But you can see I just copy this number, and this number is integer max value. So if x is this value, the reverse version will be definitely bigger than this number. Like it will start with 7 something, 7463. So this number is definitely bigger than the current number. In that case, that edge case is kind of weird. Bigger than integer max value. That what we need to do is return 0. Otherwise, it will come up a weird number. So that edge case is clear. So we'd have to check if negative is true or not. If negative is true, we'll return integer. We add the negative sign to the output time -1. Otherwise, we will return. You have to convert back to in output. Clean the code a little bit. Yeah, hopefully that works. That looks all right to me now. Okay. Yeah, I really don't like this, a lot of edge cases. So I just give it dislike. Hopefully we will see a lot of better Leetcode question. So if you have any question, please comment it below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.